Hey, so here is Dupe Message app, and basically the main feature is that it will just take some word or phrase and repeat it many times, either in iMessage or in other messengers. I hope so. Yeah, you can see something like that. So yeah, you need to confirm with your Touch ID or Face ID, and then that's how it works. And then yep. So to unlock the text box, you need to pay 0.99, and then so yeah, that's how it works. So you just select specific emoji or like for example cool, and then you just paste it. So that's the whole idea. You can then also select memes, but to unlock memes you need to do a one-time purchase, which is $1.99, and you can have all these memes. To Then you can also change the amount, how many repetitions you want to have, and to text box to enter a specific message, you need also to upgrade for 99 cents. But I mean, if you like messaging and chatting all the time, probably it's worth it, and you want to look super cool in the chatting apps. But yeah, okay, cool, no doubt, sure, for sure. It's copied. So that's how it works basically. So yeah, that's the idea. That's how you install Dupe app. Let's check out some other features. So yeah, you have the slider to adjust how many times you want the phrase to be duplicated. iMessage app, so you can repeat a message without leaving iMessage. So yeah, you can install that in via iMessage app. So just go to iMessage, and at the bottom you can add different extensions, including Dupe Message app. And yeah, so that's that. Check it out. Please leave your reviews in the comments. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 100,000 subscribers, creating videos like this about some cool or stupid apps.